How many times have we left doing a task to the last moment? If we have an assignment to submit tomorrow, most of us would probably start working on it only today and sit all night on it. How nerve-wracking is that? There are 24 hours in a day, and we all have the same 24 hours that a successful person would have. So what do they do differently in order to be more efficient and successful? The answer lies in 2 words: time management. Some of the tips for time management can be: set realistic goals and know how to prioritize them. Write down everything that you have to do so that you don't forget, and make a schedule. Create a to-do list. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So know how to balance your personal and professional life. Find time to do things apart from your work that focuses on self-being. Stay healthy. Try including physical activity in your schedule as much as possible to keep you active. Avoid procrastination and any distractions, like often checking how many likes you've got on your recent social media posts. Have a neat and organized study place. Do not use it for having dinner or watching a movie on your laptop. Take breaks and relax whenever necessary. Do not put too much on your plate and overwork yourself. And finally, when you have completed your work or certain assignments, pat yourself on the back and treat yourself by going out with your friends or watching a movie. Time management helps you to be productive and effective in managing your career and personal life successfully.